What's going on, you guys? It's about 6:30 in the morning. Just getting up after a great night's sleep. I slept like an angel. And I'm so thankful for this morning. No more heat. Look at this. A little overcast. Nice and cool, no rain. Look forward to this ride. Park-Beers Harley Davidson in Vernal, Utah. Stuck in a little traffic right now though. We're at the first gas stop in Kremlin. We're about 200 and something miles from Vernal, Utah. Nice to get off the bike for a second. There was just potholes everywhere on this back road. But the little small towns are beautiful. So it's great to stop, get off, and look around. But anyways, we'll see you back on the road. Every time I'm on a road trip, I crave this one thing. And it happens that I can never find it until today. Apples. Whenever I'm riding far, I always crave an apple. So good. Gotta get that nutrients, baby. Alright, so we're in Dinosaur right now. Last gas station before Beers Harley Davidson. It's just about maybe 40 miles there. I'm starting to get sunburned though, leaving my visor open. But what a blast. And after that, beating feet straight to work. I wonder if I'm gonna make it on time.
finally made it to my last stop, Beers Harley Davidson. Look at all these bikers. Utah is getting a little bit hot. Probably our hottest place on our trip. But it's been definitely a fun run. But go in here, donate some money, and you guys should do the same if you catch up with Adam Sandoval on the Great American Convoy. And after that, I'm heading to work. See you guys.
Riding with the convoy this year has been awesome. I really liked how Adam included a scenic ride through Rocky Mountain National Park, which you can watch in my last video. I normally don't do big group rides, but I made an exception for the convoy, and I'm glad I did. I got to meet some really great bikers from all over America and even Canada. Everyone I met was really cool people, and a couple bikers even invited me to their table for dinner. The reason behind the convoy was bigger than all of us. Adam's convoy was put together to raise money for the Wounded Warrior Project, to help veterans still fighting battles at home. One thing I wish I could have done was to be there at the Buffalo Chip when Adam revealed the total money raised. Adam and the convoy and the generous people at the dealerships raised over $160,000 for the Wounded Warrior Project. Anyways, next stop is work. In my next video, I'll see you guys in Sturgis.
And that's a wrap.